GlassFish is an open-source application server project started by Sun Microsystems for the Java EE platform and now sponsored by Oracle Corporation. The supported version is called Oracle GlassFish Server. GlassFish is free software, dual licensed under two free software licenses, the Common Development and Distribution License and the GNU General Public License with the class path exception. Overview: GlassFish is the reference implementation of Java EE and as such supports Enterprise Java Beans, JPA, Java Server Faces, JMS, RMI, Java Server Pages, Servlets, etc. This allows developers to create enterprise applications that are portable and scalable, and that integrate with legacy technologies. Optional components can also be installed for additional services. Built on a modular kernel powered by OSGI, GlassFish runs straight on top of the Apache Felix implementation. It also runs with Equinox OSGI or Nopalafish OSGI runtimes. HK2 abstracts the OSGI module system to provide components, which can also be viewed as services. Such services can be discovered and injected at runtime. GlassFish is based on source code released by Sun and Oracle Corporation's Top-Link persistence system. It uses a derivative of Apache Tomcat as the servlet container for serving web content, with an added component called Grizzly which uses Java NewIO for scalability and speed. Releases: Sun Microsystems launched the GlassFish project on June 6, 2005. On May 4, 2006, Project GlassFish released the first version that supports the Java EE5 specification. On May 8, 2007, Project Sailfin was announced at Java 1 as a subproject under Project GlassFish. Project Sailfin aims to add session initiation protocol servlet functionality to GlassFish. On September 17, 2007, the GlassFish community released version 2 with full enterprise clustering capabilities, Microsoft Interoperable Web Services. On January 21, 2009, Sun Microsystems and the community released version GlassFish 2.1 which serves as the basis for the Sailfin SIP-APP server project. On December 10, 2009, GlassFish v3 was released. Being the Java EE reference implementation, this was the first application server to completely implement Java EE6 JS 316. JS 316 was however approved with reservations. In this version, GlassFish adds new features to ease migration from Tomcat to GlassFish. The other main new features are around modularity, startup time, deploy on change, and session preservation across redeployments. On March 25, 2010, soon after the acquisition of Sun Microsystems, Oracle issued a roadmap for versions 3.0.1. 3.1, 3.2 and 4.0 with themes revolving around clustering, virtualization and integration with coherence and other Oracle technologies. The open-source community remains otherwise unaffected. On February 28, 2011, Oracle Corporation released GlassFish v3.1. This version introduced support for SSH-based provisioning, centralized admin, clustering and load balancing. It maintains its support for both the web profile and full Java EE6 platform specifications. On July 28, 2011, Oracle Corporation released GlassFish v3.1.1. This is fixed release for GlassFish v3.1 with multiple component updates, JDK7 support, AIX support and more. On February 29, 2012, Oracle Corporation released GlassFish v3.1.2. This release includes bug fixes and new features including administration console enhancements, transaction recovery from a database and new thread pool properties. On July 17, 2012, Oracle Corporation released GlassFish v3.1.2.2. This is a micro-release to address some exceptional issues in the product. On June 12, 2013, Oracle Corporation released GlassFish 4.0. This major release brings Java Platform, Enterprise Edition 7 support. On September 9, 2014, Oracle Corporation released GlassFish 4.1. This release includes many bug fixes and the latest MR releases of CDI and WebSockets. Roadmap and end of Oracle commercial support. The commercially supported version of GlassFish is known as Oracle GlassFish Server, formerly Sun GlassFish Enterprise Server, and previously Sun Java System Application Server, or SJSAS. This includes code from other companies such as Oracle Corporation for Top-Link Essentials. Ericsson's SIP servlet support is included. The open-source version of it is Sailfish, developing towards JSA 289. In 2010, the difference between the commercial and open-source edition was already quite small. On November 4, 2013, Oracle announced the future roadmap for Java EE and GlassFish Server, with a 4.1 open-source edition planned and continuing open sources updates to GlassFish but with an end to commercial Oracle support. Commercial customers will instead be encouraged to transition to Oracle's alternative product, Oracle WebLogic Server. Open-source GlassFish is planned to continue at least through version 5, and the Java EE8 reference implementation will be derived from GlassFish Server Open Source Edition 5. This replicates what has been done in past Java EE and GlassFish Server releases. See also: other CDDL licensed, Java-based services, OpenDS, OpenSSO, OpenESB, other Java EE application servers, Wildfly, WebSphere AS, WebLogic Server, Apache Tommy E, Apache Geronimo, comparison of application servers, references. External links: GlassFish Project, GlassFish Wiki, the Aquarium latest GlassFish news and blogs, GlassFish Wiki Getting Started series, Sailfin Project, GlassFish Quality Community.